Imagine two people earning the exact same salary. One spends every extra dollar on the latest phone, expensive clothes, and luxury vacations. The other lives a simple life, saves consistently, and invests quietly every month. 10 years later, the first person is still living paycheck to paycheck, while the second has built a comfortable financial future. What made the difference? It wasn't luck. It wasn't a higher income. It was the power of small, consistent money habits. The truth is, most wealthy people don't become rich overnight. They build wealth quietly, one smart financial decision at a time. In today's video, I'll share 10 quiet money habits that secretly build wealth over time. These are practical habits that anyone can start today, no matter how much money they earn. So, if you're ready to improve your financial future, stay with me until the end, because the final habit might be the most powerful of them all. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people follow this order. They pay bills. They go shopping. They eat out. They spend money on entertainment. And whatever is left, if anything, they save. Successful people do the exact opposite. The moment they receive their income, they save or invest a portion before spending anything else. Even if it's just 10% of your paycheck, paying yourself first creates a habit that grows stronger over time. You don't have to save huge amounts. The important thing is consistency. Think of your savings as a bill that must always be paid. Your future self will thank you. Habit number 2, live below your means. One of the biggest mistakes people make is increasing their spending every time their income increases. This is called lifestyle inflation. Imagine getting a raise at work. Instead of saving more, you upgrade your car, move into a more expensive apartment, buy designer clothes, and spend more every month. Soon, you're earning more, but saving the same amount. Many millionaires don't look wealthy. They buy reliable cars. They avoid unnecessary luxury. They understand that real wealth is what you keep, not what you spend. Living below your means gives your money room to grow. Habit number 3, avoid bad debt. Debt isn't always bad. A mortgage or student loan may help improve your future. But high-interest debt, especially credit card debt, can destroy your finances. Imagine buying a phone you can't really afford. Instead of paying once, you end up paying much more because of interest. That same money could have been invested instead. Before making any purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Do I really need this, or do I simply want it right now? That small pause can save thousands of dollars over time. Habit number 4, invest consistently. Many people think investing is only for rich people. That's simply not true. Today, many investment platforms allow people to start with small amounts. The secret isn't investing a lot. The secret is investing regularly. When you invest consistently, your money begins earning returns. Then those returns begin earning returns. This is known as compound growth. It's one of the most powerful ways wealth grows over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Habit number 5, learn about money every week. Schools teach many important subjects. Unfortunately, many people never receive enough education about personal finance. That's why successful people continue learning. Read books. Watch educational videos. Listen to podcasts. Follow trusted financial educators. Even spending just 15 minutes each week learning about money can improve your financial decisions. The more knowledge you gain, the fewer costly mistakes you'll make. Knowledge creates confidence. And confidence leads to better financial choices. Habit number 6, don't try to impress other people. One of the biggest reasons people stay broke is trying to look rich. Expensive shoes, luxury watches, designer bags, fancy cars. Many people buy these things with borrowed money just to impress others. But truly wealthy people often don't feel the need to prove anything. They understand something important. Looking rich and being rich are two completely different things. Real wealth isn't always visible. It's found in savings, investments, and financial security, not expensive possessions. Habit number 7, track every dollar. Imagine trying to lose weight without knowing what you eat. It would be difficult. Managing money works the same way. If you don't know where your money goes, it's hard to improve your finances. Track your spending for 1 month. You may discover you're spending much more than you realized on coffee, subscriptions, online shopping, or eating out. Small expenses may seem harmless. But over the years, they can add up to thousands of dollars. Awareness is the first step toward better financial habits. Habit number 8, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car could break down. You could lose your job. A medical emergency could happen without warning. Without savings, these situations often force people into debt. An emergency fund acts like a financial safety net. Try to save enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of your basic living expenses. Building it may take time. That's okay. Even small monthly contributions make a difference. Financial peace of mind is worth the effort. Habit number 9, be patient. One of the biggest myths about wealth is that it happens quickly. Social media often shows overnight success stories. But what it doesn't show are the years of discipline behind them. Real wealth usually grows slowly. It's built through years of saving, investing, learning, and making smart choices. Don't compare your journey with someone else's highlight reel. Focus on your own progress. Small improvements every month become massive improvements over many years. Patience is one of the greatest financial advantages you can develop. Habit number 10, think long-term. Every financial decision you make today affects your future. Instead of asking, "What do I want today?" start asking, "What kind of life do I want 5, 10, or 20 years from now?" People who build lasting wealth make decisions with the future in mind. They save regularly. They invest consistently. They avoid unnecessary debt. They continue learning. And they remain disciplined even when no one is watching. That's what makes these habits so powerful. They work quietly. Day after day. Year after year. Until one day people call them lucky. But it was never luck. It was consistency. Remember, building wealth doesn't require earning millions of dollars. It doesn't require winning the lottery. And it doesn't happen overnight. It begins with small habits practiced consistently. Let's quickly recap today's 10 quiet money habits. 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Live below your means. 3. Avoid bad debt. 4. Invest consistently. 5. Keep learning about money. 6. Stop trying to impress others. 7. Track every dollar. 8. Build an emergency fund. 9. Be patient. 10. Think long-term. You don't have to master all 10 habits today. Start with just one. Then add another next month. Over time, these simple habits can completely transform your financial future. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tips on saving money, investing wisely, and building long-term wealth. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.